Here, Star app or Tier app, Move Better. It's a quite popular app for renting out, these electric scooters or bicycles. This app is getting traction in Europe. I don't know if it's available in US or some other countries, but it should be available, for example, in Germany, Denmark, some other countries. And I'm noticing recently, for example, in Denmark, Copenhagen, like there are more and more electric bikes, tire bikes. Usually it was only like Lime, and then there was Bolt, and now there are more and more tier bicycles. Of course, there were a lot of scooters before, but right now, yeah, that's how it looks like. Here you just see the first screen is just like a map, and then you can select some bicycles. You can reserve for free if you don't want someone to rent it out before you. You can also ring, so that's a very helpful feature I found out. Like you can just, if you don't like, sometimes the location of the bike is not that precise, then you can just tap ring and then it will start ringing. Yeah, and then you will find it easily. And then the pricing, here is the pricing, like this is in Danish krona, so like 7 Danish krona is roughly like $1, so you can just calculate. I think it's mostly like it's the same pricing as in Bolt or Lime. I found out that Lime though is a bit more expensive here in Europe, but what I would suggest, like, yeah, definitely, if you're planning to use this app and bicycles more often, then just get some of those passes. So here, so you can get like summer special unlimited unlocks plus 10% of all rides. You can get it for like roughly what's like $30. This is just like their promotion, and then it's valid for 120 days, so it's like 4 months, and then you have unlimited unlock plus 10% off all rides. Then there is like a monthly pass just for 60 Danish crowns, so like $10, and then you have unlimited unlocks. And then something else. I don't know what is unlimited unlock is here, what that means. Because in Lime, for example, if you buy a subscription, you just don't pay for unlock fee. Is that the same? I have no idea. And here you just have that, and then you have also 50% of 50 rides. So then you can just share and save the code, get a discount for friends who sign up to tier using your referral code. They get a discount too. So here's my code. Feel free to use it. So yeah, simply download the app and you can get, let's both get 50% off our next 5 rides with tier within 90 days. Simply download the app using the link below. So you can try that. It's actually quite a cool offer. Yeah, once your friend takes the first ride, you will be credited this discount in your wallet. Registered payment method is required to invite a friend. And then, yeah, also you have vouchers. Also you have wallet, you have promos. You have, say, there's tier pass. And then, yeah, so that's the idea. And then also you can filter out if you want to see scooters and e-bikes. Then there are some help center. You can reach out here, especially if, for example, if you can't park the bike or something like that. Sometimes, like I used tier a long time ago, to be honest, and mostly scooters. So mostly I'm using Lime and Bolt. So like I like Lime bikes better, to be honest, but Bolt, it has one major advantage, is that you can almost park it anywhere. And in these European cities, if like with Lime, you can only park it in specific location. And in some European cities, it's just, they have, like in Copenhagen, it's beautiful biking infrastructure. But if you just bike into some place and then you can't bike it there and you don't know where to bike, then you need to bike for another 10 minutes to figure out where's the parking is, and then you can't lock your bicycle. So it happened for me like a few times with Lime, and that's not a good experience. Like with Bolt, you just leave your bike. Of course, you can't park it somewhere in the garden, whatever. But if it's in the city, you just leave it there and it just works. And then you can leave it. So that's quite convenient. Of course, if you're every day going on a bike to work, you will know your parking spots, and then Lime is great. But if you travel into some new place, like I guess Wistia or something, just make sure you know where to park it. So then you don't need to spend like 20 minutes additional riding and parking like 500 meters from location where you want to get. So that's just one issue I have found with electrical bikes, but overall they're just getting better and better. So give it a try.